Hi friends, let me show you my new auto trunk organizer that I received. It's a really nice, elegant one. Okay. As you can see, you put it together really easily. Okay. Hi, that's kind of it. Okay. As you can see, it's really nice. Looks pretty. You can put, well, your small stuff or things that you don't want to lose here, and they will look really pretty. Okay, you can put this one as a, well, a divider. Okay. As you can see, we could have it like this and organize your stuff and just close it when you are ready to go. You see? Really easy. Has side pockets also. And I think it's really nice. I am going to try it in my car. Let's go. Hi friends, let me show you how I will use my trunk organizer. As you can see, first, this is my old one. You can see it's all cluttered and not really pretty. With this one, I will be able to close it and, well, nothing will see as cluttered as that. This tilt, this part, makes it really useful because it can go way back against the back seats and it will fit better over there. Also, it has this Velcro kind strip, so it helps you so it won't move in your trunk. Okay, let's open it and let me show you. You could put things like this, more organized. Maybe some bags, whatever you want to bring with you. And whenever you're ready, you can close it. Okay. And you can bring things with you and they won't be seen. I think it's prettier. If you're going to a picnic or a party, you could bring everything here with you, and the image, everything is nicer with this one. So, well, as you can see, this is prettier. It's I don't know, more makes your car looks better. Okay, so if you want an easy way to organize your trunk, this trunk organizer, it's a great option. I really recommend it. Thank you.